The SpaceX aerospace factory has revealed the secrets and controls of its Crew Dragon spacecraft on Monday in a press conference. It has been for years that the SpaceX factory invited media when company launched the Crew Dragon and then for an astronaut event to exhibit its Crew Dragon spacecraft. SpaceX turns into the first private aerospace company to send individuals into space 1 year from now when Boeing and its Starliner rocket. Engineers in SpaceX factory guided journalists through different modules in Crew Dragon rocket. This was a large vehicle, particularly in contrast with NASA's present ride to the space station, a stiff lodge with a limit of 3. The Dragon can carry an ordinary supplement of 4, but 7 seats can fit inside. SpaceX additionally showed 2 test systems for public. This denoted the first time SpaceX has uncovered insights about the controls and the inside of its Crew Dragon spacecraft. The cockpit test system exhibited the controls that Dragon space travelers will have in-hand controls. In contrast with the space transport and its in excess of 1,000 couches, switches, and controls, the Dragon case has a humble cluster of 3-level screens and 2 columns of buttons underneath. These touch screens in cockpit specifically show the fundamental controls mid-flight and are the essential interface space travelers have with the vehicle. The following are 2 lines of manual captures, 38 altogether, that give backup control of the shuttle. A considerable lot of the captures arranged underneath clear boards, proposed to never be utilized, on the grounds that they are frequently the third choice after the touch screens and ground control of the Dragon. Spacecraft trajectory: it has the shuttle's direction and when relied upon to lose connectivity with the ground. The inside screen is for state of mind and area of the ISS and Sun. The last is for sun-oriented charging. An extensive dark and red control handle amidst the reassure with eject imprinted in clear white letters above it. This starts the escape system, which quickly pulls the shuttle far from the rocket on account of a crisis amid the rising into space. Typically the flight PCs would start such a move, yet the unmistakable quality of the escape framework handle underlines its significance. SpaceX designs additionally encouraged voyages through their Dragon test system, the most noteworthy loyalty rocket module they have for Space Explorer preparing. The whole inside of the vehicle copies the genuine shuttle, finished with flight programming and an existence emotionally supportive network. The SpaceX workers accumulated underneath the principal Dragon shuttle to ever flight into space. In the principal section to the SpaceX industrial facility, on a little stage, shuttle solicited each from the space travelers to quickly present themselves.